Vanakkam, Kokila from VV Handlooms. In this video we will see pure handloom silk cotton Korvai sarees with pattu border. First saree நல்ல ஒரு சூப்பரான dual tone saree. அதுக்கு கான்ட்ராஸ்டா brown color pallu and blouse. Price of this saree is 5700 Tamil Nadu free shipping. Next dark peach color body, overall body zari woven buttas with the green color pallu and green color blouse. Rani pink body with the violet color border, pallu and blouse. Next blue color body, pink color pallu and pink color blouse. All these sarees are Kuppadam silk cotton sarees. Thank you.